Heavy rain battered northern Kyushu on July 1st and 2nd due to an active rainy season front. The rain triggered flooding and landslides in Kumamoto Prefecture. Shortly after 3 a.m. on July 2nd, a line-shaped precipitation band developed over the Aso region of Kumamoto Prefecture. Extremely heavy rain fell in the hour before dawn, including 73.5 millimeters in Minamioguni town and 64.5 millimeters in Aso city.
午前9時頃の阿蘇市を流れる川の様子です。水位は増しており、水は茶色く濁っています。
The rain flooded 2 buildings, and a sediment flowed into a different building, but no injuries have been reported. The rain also affected transportation, closing roads due to flooding and landslides. The Japan Meteorological Agency is urging residents in Kumamoto Prefecture to remain on alert for landslides through July 2nd. Meanwhile, Typhoon Bavi formed over the Pacific Ocean far south of Japan at 9 a.m. on July 2nd. The storm is expected to strengthen as it moves westward and pass near Saipan early next week as a very strong typhoon. It is then forecast to track south of Japan. Another tropical depression that has developed far south of Japan, which is currently near the Philippines, is forecast to move northward across the South China Sea before heading toward the mainland.